Hello everyone, welcome back to My Digital Diaries, and you're watching Tools Every Coder Must Know video series. We are kicking off season 2, and this time it's coming to you in both English and Marathi. We're starting episode 1 with a tool named Claude. A Claude is an AI that doesn't just assist, it thinks like your experienced teammate. So if you are serious about becoming a smarter developer, you don't want to miss this. Watch this video till the end. If you like this video, please do click on a like button to share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to My Digital Diaries. Let's start with Claude. Let me tell you a story. A completely normal trading day. Nothing unusual happening in market. It's steady, developers doing their things, and then something drops. Anthropic announced an update to Claude. At first, nobody panics, just another AI update, right? But then developers start testing it and then they notice something strange. This AI isn't normal. It understands huge codebase. It automates complex workloads. It saves you hours, sometimes days of efforts. Now pause for a second. What will you do if a tool like that landed in your workflow? Because the market asks the same question, suddenly attention shifts. Companies like Microsoft, Amazon, they start gaining momentum. And why so? Because they are not just watching this happening, they are building the ecosystem. And at the same time, a silent tension builds in the background. Traditional IT companies start wondering what happens when AI does our work faster and cheaper. And just like that, the narrative change. Not just a crash, but shift and a realization. This wasn't just about Claude. It was a signal. The AI is no longer experimental, but it's a future. It's becoming a core to software development, and then companies start adapting fast and gain values. There is a big shift in the mindset from saying AI might help developers to AI might replace how development works. So that shift is because of the software, which is our today's topic, Claude AI. If you have been using AI for coding, you have probably seen tools that generate code, fix bugs, or help a little. But what if there was an AI that thinks beyond just code? Today, let's explore what is Anthropic's Claude AI. Claude is an advanced AI assistant developed by Anthropic, designed specifically for reasoning, coding, and large-scale understanding. But don't think it as just another chatbot. Most AI tools you have used, they work like junior developers. You give instruction, they generate snippets, and you fix the rest, right? But what about the Claude? It operates at completely different level. Think of it as a senior AI developer. Let's understand this is with a simple example. You give a coding problem to two AIs. The first one is a basic AI tool, quickly gives you a code snippet. It looks fine, but doesn't fully understand your system. Now, what Claude does? Claude looks at the same problem, and instead of rushing to find out the answer, it tries to understand. What it understands? What is the biggest picture? What is the actual goal? What could go wrong later? And then it responds, not just with the code, but with clear thinking and better solutions. Here is what makes Claude truly powerful. It understands the big picture, not just a small snippet. It doesn't just fix issues, it improves your solution. It has a strong debugging and reasoning skills. It explains things like a mentor, and it handles ambiguous problem really well. Now think about a real world development. Requirements are often unclear, problems are messy. That's exactly where Claude become valuable. So the real shift is this: AI is no longer just a tool, it's becoming your teammate, and Claude is a perfect example of that shift. Now let's go deeper. Let's explore the powerful features that makes Claude feels like a tool and more like a smart coding partner. First, large context window. Most AI tools, they forget things quickly. You paste a few files and they lose track. But Claude is different. It can handle huge code bases and long documents in one go. That means better understanding, fewer repeated explanation, and more accurate responses. Imagine explaining your entire project just once. No other tool can do it, but Claude can. Next is code generation and refactoring. Yes, many AIs can write code, but Claude goes beyond that. It doesn't just generate code, it improves your existing code. Cleaner structure, better readability, optimized logic. It's like having a developer who not only writes but also reviews and upgrade your code. Third is agentic coding. This is where things get interesting. Claude can actually plan and execute tasks step by step, not just answer but act. It can break down complex problems, decide the approach, execute in sequence. It feels less like asking questions and more like assigning work. Then we have an artifact feature. This is super useful for developers. Claude can create structured output like code files, documents, UI components, and keep them separate from chat. So you are not just chatting, you are actually building things alongside it. Fifth is tool use and integration. Claude can connect with external tools and APIs. Claude can fetch data, trigger workflows, and integrate with your development ecosystem. This makes it far more powerful than standalone AI. It becomes part of your development pipeline. And finally, vision and multimodal. Claude doesn't just understand text, it can also work with images, diagrams, and UI screenshots. So you can literally show a bug and get help fixing it. So now think about this: with all these features combined, are you just using AI or are you working with a complete development assistant? Let me ask you something. How many times you have spent hours debugging only to realize the issue was something small? Logs everywhere, stack traces confusing, and still no clear answer. What if AI could debug with you? Let's look at a real world example or real world scenario where the Claude can help you. You are working on a production issue. Suddenly errors start appearing. You got complex exception, API failures, database issues, maybe even distributed system bugs, and now the real struggles begins. Logs are huge, hard to read, root cause not clear at all. So what you will do? Trial and error, right? Try one, fix it, test, and fail, repeat. Hours go by frustrations and bills. You are staring at the screen, multiple errors, confusing logs, and all you thinking is, where do I even start? Now imagine this. You build a debugging assistant using Claude AI. not just a chatbot, but tool that actually understand your problem. What do? You give Claude error logs, stack trace, relevant C# code, and simple instruction saying analyze this error log and API code, find the root cause and suggest a fix. That's it. Now Claude start its work. It reads through the logs, connect them with your code logics, identifies the most likely root cause, and then it doesn't stop there. It actually suggests a fix, sometimes even a improved code. It is like having a senior developer debugging alongside you. Now look at the difference from confusion to clarity, from hours of debugging to minutes. That's the power of using Claude the right way. So next time you are stuck debugging, don't just struggle, collaborate with AI. Let's build smarter and together. Imagine what if Claude AI was not just a website but directly inside your code editor. Writing code, debugging, reviewing, all happening without switching tab. Yes, that can be possible with Claude. Let's see how. So there are a few integration steps which we can follow. First of all, we have to install node.js. Claude CLI runs on node.js, so this is your foundation. If you already have it, great. If not, then install the latest stable version. Step 2 is creating an Anthropic account. Once done, set up your API access. You have two options here. One is OAuth login or API key. Choose what works best for your workflow. The third step is installing the Claude CLI globally. You can run a command which will give you an command line access to Claude. The fourth step is to authenticate. Simply run Claude in your terminal, then complete OAuth login or securely set your API key. Now Claude is connected to your system. The step 5 is installing the Claude Code extension in VS Code. Go to the marketplace, install the official extension and configure key bindings for quick access. Now Claude is inside your editor. Sixth step is optimize your settings. Update your settings.json with autosave enabled, file watchers exclusion, terminal configuration. This ensures a smooth performance. Step 7 is to add project level context, like create a claude.md file where you will define the coding conventions, project guidelines, and add a Claude ignore file to control what Claude should skip. This helps Claude understand your project better. Then finally, you can verify everything works, like you can run a real task like generate code, review changes, check Git integration. Make sure different review and workflows are smooth. So these are the steps which you can follow. This video is just to give the introduction. If you would like to have a Claude complete series where we can do this practically, let me know in the comment. Before using any AI tool, one question always comes first. How much does it cost? And more importantly, is it actually worth it? Let's find out. In this section, I am going to walk you through the Claude AI pricing page. Let's go to the page. If you open cloud.pricing or cloudai.upgrade, you will get the pricing of Claude. Now at first glance, you will notice Claude offers different pricing models depending on how you use it. Individual users, team enterprise, and developers API. So let's break this down step by step. For individual user, there is a free tier available. Along with that, you have a Pro and Max, and what is included in each plan. You can see what are the things which is available. Then for the team, you have a team enterprise where you can have team or enterprise plan. If you are a developer, this is where things get interesting. Claude's API pricing works on a usage-based model. You pay based on tokens, which means input plus output data process. So the cost depends on how much data you send, how big your response are. This makes it flexible. You only pay for what you use. Now coming to licensing, Claude is not open source. It's a commercial AI service, which means you use it via subscription or API and follow the usage policy. So always check terms based on your use case. So the real takeaway is simple. Start free, scale as you grow, and pay only when it adds value to your workflow. So that's a wrap up for today. This is the first episode of season 2. In upcoming videos, we will explore other tools, other powerful tools which can help you in the development. So if you like this video, please click on a like button. Do share it with your friends and colleagues. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and click on notification bell. You can join our membership program also. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in next video.